In your terminal, run npm install -s at /gatsby-theme-brain. Once that is installed, create a gatsby-config.js file to configure the plugin. In here, set module.exports to be an object containing a plugins array with that same plugin name at /gatsby-theme-brain. Save this file and then create a directory called content/brain in the root of your site. Add a file to that directory called brain.md and add whatever you want to it. I'm going to set a title using Markdown front matter and also give a little bit of text just to test out linking and make sure everything works. Save this, and then in your terminal, run gatsby develop. Once this has finished, you can go to localhost:8000/brain in your browser. You can see the test page link you created automatically generated a new page for that link with back references. But now we need to adjust some configuration settings to customize this theme for this site. Change the Gatsby config entry from a string to an object, with resolve set to the plugin name, and add an options object. Set the root path / root note to main, and notes directory to content /. The configuration changes have adjusted where the theme will be looking for and generating content, so you need to adjust the folder structure to match. Rename brain.md to main.md and move it to the root content folder, and then you can go ahead and delete the brain folder. Now you can run Gatsby develop again. When this is done, you can go back to localhost 8000 and you no longer need the /brain appended. It is now at the root of that URL. There are a couple of other things you can add. Set linkify hashtags to true to generate links for text beginning with a hashtag, and hide double brackets to true to show the links without double brackets. Go ahead and run Gatsby develop. Then refresh localhost 8000 to see that the double brackets are now hidden. And I wanted to demonstrate another feature, hot reloading. You can go back to your main.md and add hashtag and then some piece of text, and when you save that file, you can see it automatically rebuilt and updated the content to include that link you added. And the hashtag works. Now you're going to go ahead and commit these changes, do git add dot, git commit -m, and whatever commit message you would like to add here.